Hello everyone, welcome to another vlog. Today is New Year's Eve and Happy New Year and Gott Nytt År to everyone. And it was a special year. It's finished. It's this in this year it's lots of ups and downs. Yeah, Jaden? Yeah, lots of ups and downs. We have a happy moments, it's really sad moments. There's a lot of people we lost during this hard time. And so today in today's video we're just gonna go to Norrtälje city. Where is Norrtälje? Our city is turning 400. Yes, you're right. Our city is 400 year old, and they're gonna celebrate with a laser show in the city. And I'm gonna ask everyone what was the special moment for the last year in their life. It will be nice if everyone will tell me what was their experience or what was their great moment in the last year which is finished. So we will start with myself and I will tell you what was it. Alright, so my best memory for 2021 is that we qualify for Allsvenskan, which is the highest league in cricket in Sweden. And the second one is the summer, when we went to Furvik and we enjoyed. I had a long holiday. Best memory of 2021. All right, here we go.
When we went for a family trip to Furvik.
Okay.
My best memories is the last time on Furvik.
So
when we went to Hume for my birthday.
Is that my company, we launched a website for a new site, the local news site for Norrtälje, Alta Norrtälje. I think that was the best thing that happened.
The best thing that happened 2021 was that my best friend mother had a baby, Luna Bell.
Moment was that my husband's company went with a really good start.
the fireworks are still going on. It's really beautiful. I will show you around.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Happy New Year! So we are all ready to go to Norrtälje. So yes, we are going to my brother-in-law's apartment in Norrtälje city. Yes, so because he lives in the center of the city, we're gonna see the fireworks at night. We're gonna watch the laser show, which is done by Norrtälje commune, because Norrtälje turned 400 years old. Yes, it's a 400 years old celebration of our city, Norrtälje. Alright, so we will see you guys in Norrtälje. Hello everyone, so we reached in Norrtälje, but we could not enter the apartment as Jaden, what happened? Why are you waiting outside?
Because the door is locked. Look at this.
Door is locked.
Yeah.
Imsha,
Yes.
we are waiting for who? Okay. Yes. Alright, so that's the person we are waiting for the last 15 minutes. Hey, Mr. President.
Oj, gud vad långa ni är. Kolla, in kör in här. Du hör mig? Oj, vad långa ni är.
Sir, you said the door is open.
Yeah, and you said you come before. You came.
Alright everyone, we are inside Mr. President apartment.
Hello, Mr.
Yes, he lives in a posh apartment in the middle of the city. You can see that, it's really nice. And now he's setting up some party lights for his apartment. Alright, so we just set up the lights all over the house. Kids help us as well. Oh, Himsha, it looks nice?
Yeah. It looks so nice, handsome.
Welcome!
Sorry.
Welcome!
Thank you. Come to sister!
Jaden, försvara mig! Jaden!
For New Year's Eve, we guys are having 3-course dinner. So that includes entree, main course and dessert. So let's have a job of preparing the entree.
Yeah.
And what is the entree?
Toastkagen.
Toastkagen is a Swedish dish. All right.
Me and Imran are doing mains, so we're gonna do a potato bake, salad and tzatziki, and then we have chicken and they have vegetarian,
Yes.
and then Malin have dessert.
Nice.
So, and then later on Malin made a cheese platter.
Sounds nice.
I bought for you only like pig-free,
Beef.
beef charcuterie. Quite expensive, if you can try, for us.
700 a kilo.
No, yeah. And she told me, the lady, that these olives go nice with the beef.
We all gonna show you the whole food when it's ready.
Hi, welcome to New Year's Eve with us, Salmin Khan Okabar.
A new year resolution for 2022.
It's two great things that I know will happen, and the first one is that I will have the exam from the police academy, and also we have the election in Sweden, and I'm really looking forward to it.
I think I want to learn how to do like flips without flips. I can do flips, but I land on my back. But how to land when I'm standing up. I want to go to Skara Sommarland.
Good.
My New Year's resolution is going to be actually that I'm going to say no more and I'm going to be more selfish.
I don't have a resolution, but I look forward to next year. Two things. One is going on a sister trip to Gothenburg with and watch Ed Sheeran. And second of all, I am looking forward for doing the last year of my studies. It will be the last full year that I studied, then I will be finished preschool teacher.
I'm gonna try to get stronger in my body and walk more and try to spend more time with my family.
My new year resolution is that I want to travel and I want to see my parents, which I haven't seen for quite long.
So about the saddest thing that happened during 2022, that's an easy one because my grandpa, he left us, and we went a funeral, and when mom called me and said he's dead, that was the most saddest part for some years.
The saddest thing was that when I hurt my chin right here.
Alright. Moment.
Because mom is getting angry on me.
Angry.
The saddest part was, of course, when my grandfather passed away. That was the saddest. And also we had a friend in Sydney who passed away. That was pretty sad.
I have two saddest moments, or one saddest and one angry. One saddest is my dad passed away, and the other one that my sister is behaving really, really bad, and that affects me more than I want to.
The saddest part this year was our grandpa that passed away. I was not home as well, so I was away. I couldn't say goodbye to him.
Cheers for 2022.
Oh, we're not looking at each other, we're looking at the camera.
Alright.
Okay, why are we looking at camera?
We look at each other.
Okay, okay, 1, 2, 3. Cheers!
Enjoy your food, guys.
Yeah, now put the camera in our face. in our face.
Alright, so now after the main course, it's time for dessert and being done by Malin.
Yes.
So Malin, what's for dessert we have?
This is chocolate mousse with
Okay.
peanut, salted caramel, and cream. And
Okay.
this is lemon mousse
Lemon
with
mousse.
white chocolate and raspberry.
Mmm.
And then we
Alright.
have sheets plated later, but this is the first. Who are you talking to me like this?
Malin, you like it?
I never tried it because it's meat, but I would go with your mouse guess.
What?
Right, so the laser show gonna start soon, just right behind me. Oh, I'm just at the harbor now. We all ready to watch the laser show. Mr. Nicholas, are you excited about the laser show?
Yeah, looking forward to it. This has never happened before in Norrtälje.
And it's started snowing, but we all ready. We still have 12 minutes to go. Hey, started now. celebrating New Year's Eve in Sweden. Happy New Year, everyone!
Yesterday was New Year.
Happy New Year,
Or 7 minutes
Molly.
ago.
Happy New Year!
Lena gonna open the first bottle of champagne for the year 2022, and she's not drinking because she's a designated driver. All right, so 1, 2, yeah! Happy New Year, Mr. President!
Happy New Year! Thank you for this year. I'm looking forward to 2022, accommodated by Imran Khan, the best blogger in Norrtälje kommun by far. This guy is going to be big, so stay tuned.
It was a really great night with everyone. Molly, Nikke, Chelina. Thank you so much for organizing such a lovely dinner. It was three-course meal, and we had a lovely, enjoyable night at the laser show. So thanks for watching that vlog, and we'll see you next time.
Subscribe and comment.
Thank you.
Bye.
Yeah.